guys. I don't know. Like, probably I'm gonna disconnect. I'm gonna disconnect. Okay, guys, we're okay na. Wait, hi girl. Hi sisters. Hi sisters. Oh, she died. Her name's Shibal. Like Shibal. Okay. One.
Hindi ka matulog ng dalawang
One.
araw. Hindi ako maniwala sa
Okay, oh my god.
Siyempre, may karilya mo ka eh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hindi ka nagpapahinga. Unless kung sabihin mong may papasyalan ka.
Oh my god. This thing disappears. Oh wait, no, it doesn't.
Tatlong driver yan.
Comment, go. If you go. Oh my, seriously. Uy!
Sa Victoria Liner pa, siyempre walang picture doon. Pero pag sa atin ban, sigurado may picture yan sigurado.
I just wanna, oh my freaking god! I'm a freak. Clear 2 towers without dying. Oh yeah, sure. Without dying.
Isa kayo mo ng
Oh my goodness, guys.
Wala ka pang pagod.
I'm so happy. This is gonna be my new picture thing. I'm gonna get this. Are you freaking serious? Oh my gosh, you have to pay. Like, bro, you have to pay. That's... Look. Hi, be. Uy, huwag mo ako i-slap ah. Okay guys, that is the end of this video. Bye!
Yan, kay Jenny Matcha, yan, okay din yan. Kay Johan Canlas, yan, okay din.
Hindi nag-reply si si Amiel.
Nag-reply.
Anong sabi niya?
Ayun, nagbigay ng requirement.
Ano?
Yan dami. Yun kasi. Dalawa eh, isang homemaker sa isang principal.
Tapos, kung
yung isang sinend ko nga, OFW eh. Online lang sinend ang Online lang sinend ang requirements.
kaya PDF. Tapos, zero down payment. Sa kanila ipangalan.
Oo. Nakuha niya rin yung unit. Pag-uwi niya lang sa Pilipinas. Pagdating. Ang galing nga eh.
Yo, me. They are nice. Eee, oh my gosh. I'm gonna fly guys.
Sabi nila mahirap mag-car loan. Ba't yung kliyente ko online na nga lang sinend yung documents.
Sit, I'm not gonna get
Tapos
that.
nung release na, doon ko na pinapunta sa
Uy! Look.
showroom. Nung
Ay,
release
touch.
na sa Tesla.
Okay, go. GG. Nice. How to fly, guys? How to fly? Look. Oh my goodness, where did she go? She flied away.
Ito.
Okay.
Mahirap daw mag-car loan.
Go. Ay, level tayo. Oh my goodness, we're actually probably gonna get flagged.
Pag yung ready to
I'm like
release na
probably
doon yan, pupunta.
gonna
Ha?
Doon pa rin mag-pay.
give normal walk.
Kailangan na pa-fix.
What?
Kailangan talaga ng appearance talaga.
Bagay yun, Butero.
Wag yung Montero, mahal yun. Expander lang. Montero, parang Prado yun.
Mini? Yeah.
SUV na malaki na yun.
Yeah.
Yung
Yes.
Expander,
Yes,
hindi man
yes.
SUV yan. Parang, ano tawag yun? MPV.
Leave him alone. Oh my god.
Multi-vehicle, gano'n.
Yeah, probably he's in the troll part, guys, because he wasn't.
Oo, ang
And
SUV, yun eh, malalaki.
can you give
Montero,
Mini
Prado.
flight, please? They're super but nice. Yay! Oh my goodness, I'm so scared.
Madali
Guys.
lang talaga akong madali.
I'm gonna go up
Kung
there
gusto
and
natin,
see
saktong pag-uwi natin,
if he is here.
pangalawang araw
Because
natin, kuha tayo ng sakto.
I am scared.
na.
OFW kayo mag-asawa?
Ito target na.
Ay, leave.
Ano,
Oh my
Sure na
goodness.
sure mo.
target na
You, Lord.
talagang pagpa-uwi.
Bago mag-uwi, may kontak ka na. Para pagdating mo, diretso requirements, approved na bukas, ma-release yung unit bukas. At least pangalawang araw pa lang natin, may stock na tayo.
May target na hindi mag-rent or mag-spend ng kwarta.
Tapos 2
Last
months.
year, nung kami ni Nika,
Ay.
sa hotel. Ngayon naman, nag-rent ng
Oh my
sasakyan.
goodness, I'm so
Susunod na lang.
scared. Hi.
Ang bayad pa after 2 months pa.
Hi.
So, masusulit pa natin sa sakyan kasi after 2 months
Hi.
pa.
Hi. 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 You
Pero mag-down.
cool.
Oo.
Maganda may
You
down.
cool.
Oh, maganda may down, hindi yung
Yeah.
down payment. Tapos,
Okay,
yun
pwede
lang,
kami
siyempre,
Friday, ha?
hindi man gamitin din ko
Pero
yung
yung may down at walang down,
Huh?
parehas lang.
parehas
This is
yun.
weird.
How come?
Oo.
Oh, he said we'll take it. Oh.
Tapos dun lang, magamit lang siguro nila pag
Guys, please
Sunday.
make me fly. Make me
At least
fly.
hindi siya
Uy.
masira na
Uy,
Hindi na lang ako
wait,
mag-down.
ay,
Maganda pa nga, wala
Ay,
na.
ano, sa ano?
Hi guys.